Hi, I'll be showing you how to make a fursuit neck today. I'm using my own pattern that is available in my Etsy link in bio. But I hope this video is helpful even without the pattern. Remember seam allowance on all pieces. First, you need to cut all the pieces. Remember to flip your pattern. We will sew the back pieces together. Do the same with the front pieces. Now that we have the back and front, sew those two together. Now we connect the two sides at the front of the neck. For this head, I will use a zipper. I'll demonstrate how to insert one. This pattern may very well work without a zipper, but I like to add them. Remember to put the zipper on the right way. I always line my zippers and heads, but for the sake of being beginner-friendly, I'll show this without any. You'll want to sew this part first. Here's how the zipper should look like once in place. Once you've sewn the zipper, you can sew the rest of the way closed. And here would be our finished fursuit neck. I didn't sew my zipper on, so it is a bit hard to operate. There it is. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see. As mentioned, this pattern is in my Etsy shop. Check it if you'd like.